The city of Ottawa, located in Canada, is the capital and fourth largest city in the country. Known for its picturesque landscape and rich history, Ottawa offers a wide range of attractions and activities for locals and tourists alike. The city's stunning natural beauty is highlighted by its iconic landmarks such as Parliament Hill, where visitors can witness a changing of the guard ceremony, and tour historic buildings such as the Peace Tower. The Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers scenic boat rides in the summer months and transforms into the world's largest ice skating rink in the winter. For outdoor enthusiasts, Ottawa boasts an extensive network of parks and green spaces. Gatineau Park features walking trails with spectacular views of the city. Tourism plays an important role in Ottawa's economy, as visitors from all over the world come to experience its unique charm. Whether it's exploring historic sites or taking in the outdoors, Ottawa has something to offer every tourist. Travelers looking to visit Ottawa will find a variety of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget hostels. Thanks to an efficient public transportation system, getting around the city is convenient for both residents and tourists. Whether you are interested in history, nature or cultural experiences, Ottawa has it all.